BadLuckPasc and other tutorials. Hang on. Today we're going to be focusing on our lawns and our gardening. So we'll do a quick tutorial on how to keep your lawn nice and good looking and healthy. Is your lawn causing you grief? Does it look messy and untidy? And you need one of these. So first up we do the edges. So if you got a bit of trouble with weeds and that kind of stuff, we take out the whippersnipper first and we get rid of all the nice edging there. So we'll give you a quick example. Obviously, doesn't matter what kind of whippersnipper you have, this one was $80, quite cheap, but it does the job. If you have a 2 or 4 stroke motor, what you're going to need, you're going to need some oil, and you're going to need some fuel, and you're going to need a mixing canister, because you don't really want to mix it with your hands like you can, but I don't suggest it. Sometimes what happens is you can spill it, we'll make mistakes, it's fine, it's life. Just get your missus to clean it up, it's alright, she'll have time. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to prime your whippersnipper, so give it a few pushes, maybe 1 to 20.
One eternity later.
One most important rule to your lawn is it's like a relationship. It just needs nourishment and love, just like your grass. So start small and give it the love that it needs. Trust me, it does wonders for your lawn. Same with your edging. You want to give it that care factor. So we'll do it the old-fashioned way. That's all the tools you need. You want a nice clean edge? Give it some love. This is my mower, so obviously we want to give it some more care. You can get one of these, probably about 0.2 horsepower. You can get one for about 2 to 2.5 grand. All you got to do is feed it twice a day, but does the job, fertilizes the lawn for you, so come on, let's go. Have you got some grass that's gone onto your paths or up front way or anything like that? I put a surefire way to solve the problem. It only take about 2 seconds and it's not much effort at all. So all you need is a broom, and there's one more requirement that you need. Honey! Is your yard overfilling with shit? Make it to use. On the next episode, how to make your own fertilizer.